So here I got a walk-in that's called in as a water leak, you know, and it's leaking all over this stuff. I kind of had to move everything out of the way, put it over there, and you know the coil doesn't really look that bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off, the front grills and the blades, and clean it all up, because it's that kind of crap that gets in there and plugs drains. You know, these type of evaporators, let's see, what are they? Crack evaporators. Russells are kind of the same too. And you usually always have a 1/2 inch nut up there that holds it. In this case, this one has 11 millimeter. Yeah, 11 millimeter nuts. You take them all off, and you just don't want to lose any of them. So I got them covers off, you can see. And yeah, it's a lot dirtier than what it looks like just looking from the outside. But to wash it, I'm going to wash it. And of course, it drains right here and the drain's right over there. But I don't like making a mess. I'd rather catch it all. So I get one of these trash cans. Make sure you don't get one with holes in it like I did, because, well, that ain't going to work. But, you know, and you can roll around your heavy bucket of water when it fills up. Alright, now I'm pretty sure most of you have seen this, but, you know, when you go to take apart something like this, it's really important, in my opinion, to do it a certain way. So, you know, this is going to be tight. You don't just want to come up here and crank it and start turning it. I mean, you could, but, you know, most of the time it's going to be okay, but there's going to be some times that it's not. So, you got to decide and determine which way you're going to turn this for it to loosen. And in this case, it looks like it needs to go counterclockwise, looking at it that way. So we got to put a pressure on it. Pressure on it's got to go this way, down. Now we want to back it up against this. You want to do it in such a way to where all you got to do is squeeze the 2 wrenches together, and that's where all your torque's at. So you got something like that. That's going to do it. I can't do it with my left hand, but that's going to be what you're looking for right there. That way you put all the pressure that you're applying to this doesn't go on that, doesn't go on that, but it goes against each other. And that's my opinion and the best way to loosen something like this. Yeah, and then when you're about to drop your pan, because this pan's going to come down, it's going to hang and swing, because it's got, I think it does. Maybe this one doesn't. Okay, yeah, this one doesn't swing like the rest of them do. Must be pretty freaking old. So what we got is we got screws that are holding it, you know, and usually we have like hinges or some type of hinge mechanism that allows it to swing, and in this case, well, it's not doing that. But you can see all this crap. I just want to get all that crap out. Maybe even wash the coil a little bit and get these fan blades clean, because this right here is just going to clog the drain up again some other day. Not too long from now. Alright, now I pulled this out. This is my whole drain little assembly thing. You see we've got a gasket there, so don't lose that. But now I'm gonna hang it back up, I guess. I'm gonna remove the fan blades, I'm gonna rinse everything down and let everything fall into here. I got it all rinsed out. You see all this crap on the floor that came out. You know, my trash can's full. I gotta rinse the floor still, so I mean, you don't really even need a trash can. It's all gonna drain, you know. I still gotta wash my blades, but I mean, without scrubbing it, it's a little bit better. I ain't gonna get in there and scrub it. There ain't no point, but it's a little bit better. here's a trick for you. So when you're taking these off, right? And my hands are freaking freezing, so when you're taking these off, all right, and you're trying to get this blue guard on, and you can't because the freaking fan keeps falling back, like watch. It's gonna go like that. So it falls back like that. You get it back in place, okay, and it doesn't stay in place, right? And you're like, God damn it! What the hell do you do? What you do is you take the two top arms and you bend them out. You bend them out. There, focus. You bend them out far enough to where it's going to be difficult for them to want to stay in, and you're going to have to bend them out, and you're going to have to bend them, then you're going to have to pull them to where they go in there, like that, and they stay. And that's it. I'm pretty much done with it. I'll put back together. It's freaking cold in here. That's why I didn't video too much, but you know, a little cleaning. Sometimes you gotta do it, you know? You gotta do it. See you later.